Come with me to Loblaws to make an easy, high-protein stir-fry. Let's stock up on my favorite chef Wu flavors and some fresh veggies. Shout out to Loblaws, they had some really good sales going on, and their fried chicken is so good. $1.99 for 20 grams of complete protein is a steal. Thanks, Loblaws. Now let's get started on the stir-fry. Chop your veggies and toss them in a pan with some oil and 2 seasoning packs. Cook your chef Wu noodles and mix them into your pan with your sauces. Add your chicken and bam, a quick and delicious high-protein stir-fry.